Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Nissan Murano key battery. Start by finding the release tab on the fob, then use a small flat tool to pry it open gently and separate the halves. Remove the old CR2032 battery using a soft pick or your finger, noting the battery orientation. Insert the new CR2032 with the positive side up, align the housing, and snap the fob closed securely before testing the remote. Begin by sliding out the emergency key if your Murano fob has one, then locate the small release notch. Insert a flat plastic tool to avoid scratching the fob and twist slowly until the case separates. Carefully lift out the old CR2032 battery, remembering which side faces up so you can match the orientation. Place the new battery in the same way, close the case, and test the buttons to confirm the replacement worked. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more car tips. Quick recommendation: after fiddling with small parts and batteries, grab a little Tree's black ice to keep your Murano smelling great and to cheer up the glove box. It is a small, inexpensive treat that pairs nicely with a quick maintenance session. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If your remote does not respond after battery replacement, double-check that the CR2032 is seated flat and the positive side faces up. Gently clean the contact points with a cotton swab and isopropyl alcohol to remove corrosion or dirt. Make sure any small plastic spacer or insulating tab is in its original position. If the fob still fails, consult the owner manual for reprogramming instructions or consider professional help from a dealer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.